In this Pygame tutorial, we will learn how to anchor image and then draw the image on display. First, we create Pygame window and game loop. If you don't know how to create window, follow the tutorial link in the description. We will use this image for this tutorial. We load this image with pygame.image.load and enter the path to the image. Don't forget to convert the image, so that Pygame loads the image faster. Draw the image on display with display.blit, then pass the image and its position 100x 100y. Now if we run the program, we get the image at 100 by 100 position. Let's center the image. To center the image, we have to use a rect object as a reference for image position. Create rect from image with image.get_rect and set its center to the middle of the display, which is half of width and height of the display. Now run the program. Now the image is drawn at the center of display. Similarly, we can anchor the image at top left of the display. To do that, go back, copy and paste this line. Set the top left of the rect to 0, 0. Run the program. The image is drawn at top left of the display. Similarly, we can anchor the image to the top right of the display. Do the same process for bottom right and bottom left. Let's run the program. Now you can easily anchor the image. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more.